Hello guys, this is Adi and you are watching PhD in Making. I'll be showing you how I made this image from these individual elements. These are some stock images I have used for photo manipulation. I mainly use stock photos from sites like DeviantArt and Unsplash. Follow the steps given in each frame to create soft glow effect. So sit back and relax and let's begin with the process. Step 1 is to select this image on the blank canvas. So next step will be to mask out unwanted area, that hill part. Now I use mostly pen tool for masking out subject as it gives the exact cutout you wanted. Place image of model and mask her out. Here hair masking may be difficult. There are lots of tutorials on hair masking. This is the result that you will get. Place cutout of girl on archway and add image of castle all the way down. Now remove the sky in the castle. Here I have used the color range as color is plain blue. Next part is to add mountain behind the castle to get that medieval feel. Place mountain layer behind the castle layer. Add some curve adjustment layer on the top and lower the whites. Now if you observe in the nature, the night colors are desaturated and have a little bit of a blue hue in them. So now increase the blues and decrease the reds and add a little bit of blackness. This is a basic night look you can give in a Photoshop. Now let's blend each element individually. Now to blend castle in the scene, decrease even more saturation, lower whites and add a little bit of contrast. Let's add one more layer of forest between castle and mountain image to give that beautiful depth of field effect. Mask out some area of forest with a soft brush and add a fog with custom fog brush. Here no need to blend mountain as it is already well blended. Now let's blend gothic girl model in the image. For that apply same process, lower reds for cyan hue and increase the contrast. Now the direction of light is from the top, so paint highlights on the model from the same direction with a soft brush with low opacity. You have to imagine which area will be highlighted in a real life situation. Similar as highlights, paint shadows on the walls with a black soft brush. Now place one cat on each side of a girl because why not? Now you know the drill, blend the cats using same steps. Now here the highlights can be tricky part. There are lots of light reflection could possibly happen. So be wise and paint those highlights. Next part is to paint shadows on a stone wall. Plenty of tutorials available for that too. Now it's time to give more specific direction of light. So paint with soft brush on the top of the canvas in white color. Here we get the soft glow of light. So now add some more adjustment layers. Remember that soft glow is the key element and here is the final result. So this is it for today guys. If you like this tutorial / breakdown, then hit that like button, share your thoughts and also subscribe.